Hi everyone, it's Agnes, and I just wanted to read you something that I wrote a while back about those of you struggling in relationships. Okay, when there is silence between you, arguing between you, rather than trying to discuss the problem again, apply this. Deal with you, since Neville teaches us that everyone is you pushed out. Time wisely spent, wood and tail. Firstly, look at what you're thinking, feeling, and believing about the situation, about them, and about yourself. Decide to drop the problem fully. Yes, fully. Then turn to your inside self and ask, how would I like this to be? Block all else out. Focus with pinpointed focus on your desired state, meaning your feelings, your thoughts, and your beliefs. Go over it in imagination until it feels like your old favorite worn-in t-shirt. Create your ideal scene of victory. Drop the old state, as in going over what he did and she did, and drop the negative emotions too, the old man, as Neville talks about. You have then passed through the portal, shedding old states like a snake's skin, transmuting into the you that breaks free of supposed relationship problems, when really it never was that. It was the problem within you. Once you understand that, once you correct yourself, your inside self, relationships take care of themselves. So, there you go. Some food for thought for you today. Now, I did also do a radio interview yesterday, and it's on Blog Talk Radio about a meaningful life and what that means and the steps and how we get there. So for those of you that would like to listen to that, I will put the link down below, and I will also put the links to the other Blog Talk Radio shows that I've done over the years for those of you that have missed them. All right, lots of love everyone, and I will see you in the next YouTube.